It's your boy Hentai fucking coming at you. If you look at the store, all the locust packs from all the previous months are released. The locust drone, nigga, the ROM emergence, the palace guard, and the savage locust. But I have almost all of the locusts on this account except the savage drone. It's the only thing I don't have on here, but I don't have money for that right now. But we will open that later. Right now, let's go open on my other accounts. First, on Dragon Ball GT, boy. I sure we'll say this on. And then we'll have to do a Raven down. Alright. I want to buy a bunch of locust packs since I need the savage locust grenadier. Whoops. Meant to cancel. No. There we go. Hold up. Audio. Alright, there we go. First of all, and there's a new skin, new Nasher skin called fucking Jester or some shit like that. What was it called? Jessley? I did not or see it that well. What was it called? Jester? Oh, Jessel's Nasher, and it's like fucking gold. It's like a burnt sun mark with the dude. It's like a burnt sun with the crimson omen there. But needless to say, yes. Now let's get these bitches opening. Come on, give me that Savage Grenadier Elite. That's the only one I've been hopefully wanting out of all of them. Let's go. One. No. Whoa! Let's go. No. Damn, bruh. Let's go. Oh, damn, dude. This game hella fucking me over, bruh. Come on. Oh, finally. No. Whoa, dude. Wow. Yes. Come on. Yeah, oh no! Not that savage locust grenadier. I want the elite, bruh. Damn, bruh. This game BS'd me already. Finessed me hella good. I want the Savage Grenadier Elite. That's the only one I don't have, bruh. Or technically I want out of everybody else, but yeah, you know. Alright, let's open the other packs. Alright, switch next to account, my boy. Let's see how OP we can be. Let's see how lucky we can get, actually. Dealer award. Fuck. Oh, I think I'm only gonna be able to open like the 4 packs. Fuck. 2 packs. My bad. What the heck? 4 packs? Where did that shit come out of my hand? Oh well, let's see if I get lucky. No though. Nada. Alright then. Fuck you, coalition. Nothing. Damn. Nothing. Look at that fruity pink bubble snub. On to the next account. No worries. No problemo. We got this in the bag, fam. Yeah, right then. I will open other locust packs because I don't need to on one account, since one account I already have all 3 of the savage locusts, but I do not have ROM and all that bitch. So I'm gonna have to see how lucky I get, bruh. Oh shit. Yeah, boy. Alrighty. Oh fuck. What? Oh, 2 in 1. I'm doing a video right now. Alright, another pack. Civilian Anya and Locust Savage Drone. Damn, the same character. I'm getting hella lucky on this account. Alright then. Ooh, armor bear. Damn. Alright then. We got mostly what I wanted on this account. Mostly. Alright, let's see. Let's look at that motherfucker. Alright, the savage drone. I'll have to scrap that part right there. And then we'll scrap this motherfucker too. Or the duplicate. Alrighty then. Now we'll go open the final packs. Hopefully I get all the fucking locusts. Goddamn. Now how much do I even have on this account? Alright then, let's see. 2,000. Shit, I don't have enough for one. Alright, we'll just buy a locust drone. Alright. Damn, nothing. Alright then. Damn, well there you guys have it. Fuck, my luck ran out. Ugh. Well, that is what you can, or else. There you go. Alright, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, feel free, say some gay shit, I don't know. But yeah, I got somewhat unlucky. But still. Your boy Hentai out.